Imagine traveling faster than light, past every planet, every star, every galaxy you've ever seen. You keep going, farther and farther,
Until you reach the edge of everything you thought existed. And then you ask the ultimate question. What lies beyond the observable universe? Before we begin, if you want more deep, mind-expanding journeys through space and the universe, make sure you subscribe to Give Me Space, because what you're about to hear will challenge the limits of reality itself. Let's begin. First, we need to understand something important. The observable universe is not the entire universe. It is only the part we can see. Light travels at a finite speed, about 300,000 kilometers per second. That means when we look into space, we are looking back in time.
The farther away something is, the longer its light has taken to reach us. So when we look deep into the cosmos, we are seeing ancient history. The observable universe is limited by this. It is the maximum distance light has had time to travel to us. Since the beginning of the universe, that distance is about 93 billion light-years across. But here's the key idea. This boundary is not a wall, it's not an edge, it's simply the limit of what we can see. So what lies beyond it?
To answer that, we need to go back to the very beginning. About 13.8 billion years ago, the universe began with the Big Bang. Space itself started expanding, not into something, but everywhere, all at once. And ever since that moment, the universe has been growing. Galaxies are moving away from each other. Space itself is stretching. And the farther away something is, the faster it appears to move away. This expansion creates a strange effect.
There are regions of space so distant that their light will never reach us. Not now, not ever. Because the universe is expanding faster than that light can travel toward us. Those regions lie beyond the observable universe. They exist, but they are forever hidden.
So what might be out there? One possibility is surprisingly simple. More of the same. More galaxies, more stars, more planets. The universe could continue infinitely in all directions, an endless cosmic landscape. If this is true, then somewhere out there, there could be another galaxy identical to ours, another solar system, another Earth, and perhaps another version of you, making the same choices, asking the same questions. This idea comes from the concept of an infinite universe. If space goes on forever, and matter is distributed somewhat evenly, then patterns must eventually repeat. It's a mind-bending thought, but it's grounded in real mathematics. However, infinity is not the only possibility.
The universe could also be finite, but unbounded, like the surface of a sphere. If you travel in one direction long enough, you might eventually return to where you started, but in 3 dimensions. In this model, there is no edge, no boundary to fall off, just a continuous, curved space.
But even if that's true, there would still be regions beyond what we can observe, hidden simply because light hasn't reached us yet. Now, let's go deeper. Some theories suggest that what lies beyond the observable universe may not just be more space.
It could be entirely different regions of reality. This leads us to the idea of cosmic inflation. In the first fraction of a second after the Big Bang, the universe expanded incredibly fast, faster than the speed of light. This rapid expansion could have created vast regions of space, far beyond what we can ever detect.
And in some models, inflation never truly stopped. Instead, it continues in other regions, creating new bubble universes. Each bubble could be its own universe, with its own laws of physics, its own constants, its own reality. This is known as the multiverse theory. In this view, our universe is just one bubble in a much larger cosmic foam. Beyond the observable universe, there may be countless other universes. Some might be similar to ours, others could be wildly different. Universes where gravity is stronger or weaker, where time behaves differently, where matter itself is unstable, or where stars and galaxies could never form at all. And then, there are even stranger possibilities. Some theories suggest that space itself may be connected in ways we don't fully understand. That beyond our observable region, there could be higher dimensions.
Realities beyond the 3 dimensions of space and 1 of time that we experience. These dimensions might be hidden, curled up at incredibly small scales, or they could extend beyond our universe entirely. We might be living in just a slice of a much larger reality. Another idea comes from quantum physics. At the smallest scales, reality is not smooth, it's uncertain.
Particles exist in probabilities, not definite states. Some interpretations suggest that every possible outcome of every event actually happens, each one in its own branching universe. This is the many worlds interpretation. If it's true, then beyond our observable universe, there may be not just different places, but different versions of reality itself.
Every choice you didn't make, every path you didn't take, exists somewhere in another universe. But here's the challenge. We have no direct evidence for any of this. We cannot see beyond the observable universe. We cannot send signals there. We cannot travel there.
Everything we know comes from observation, mathematics, and theory. And yet, we can still learn something about what lies beyond, because the universe we can see gives us clues. When we observe the cosmic microwave background, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, we see patterns.
Tiny fluctuations in temperature. These patterns tell us about the early universe. They suggest that on large scales, the universe is remarkably uniform. This supports the idea that what lies beyond may look similar to what we see, at least on the largest scales. But there are still mysteries. There are hints of anomalies, unusual patterns, that some scientists think could be signs of interactions with other regions,
Or even other universes. These are not confirmed, but they remind us that the universe still holds secrets. Now imagine this. You are somehow able to travel outward, far beyond our galaxy, past billions of others, approaching the edge of the observable universe. What would you see?
You wouldn't hit a wall. You wouldn't reach a boundary. Instead, the universe would grow darker. Galaxies would become more redshifted, their light stretched into longer and longer wavelengths. Eventually, they would fade from view, not because they're gone, but because their light can no longer reach you.
You would be entering a region that no observer from Earth could ever see, a place beyond our cosmic horizon. And yet, from your perspective, it would look like just another part of the universe. Because every observer has their own observable universe, centered on themselves. Wherever you go, the observable universe goes with you. This means there is no single center of the universe, no special location. Every point is equally valid, equally central. This idea is known as the cosmological principle,
And it tells us something profound. The universe is far bigger than what we can see, possibly infinitely bigger. So what lies beyond the observable universe? The honest answer is, we don't know for sure.
It could be endless space, filled with more galaxies like our own. It could be curved, wrapping around itself in ways we cannot perceive. It could be part of a vast multiverse, filled with countless other universes. Or it could be something we haven't even imagined yet, something beyond our current understanding of physics. But perhaps the most important thing to realize is this: the observable universe is not the limit of reality. It is only the limit of our vision.
A horizon, not a boundary. And beyond that horizon, the universe continues. Mysterious, unreachable, and full of possibilities. If you enjoyed this journey beyond the edge of the known universe, make sure to follow, like, and comment what you want to explore next. Because in the next video, we might dive into an even deeper mystery. What existed before the Big Bang? See you in space.